Cognico solves customer complaints. I'm sure most of us have gone through the frustrating experience of complaining. What about enterprises? They not only lose revenue in terms of complaint handling, but also in terms of customer churn, insatisfied customers, lost baggage, delayed flights. And what do? We call agents, virtual agents, or email, or send fax. But at the end of the process, probably it takes around 3 months, and we stay with the feeling that we don't want to fly this airline again, or we don't want to go by this Renfe. Cognicore has an innovative solution to this based on artificial intelligence technologies. It learns from past complaints and their resolutions and returns you a resolution immediately. The entire process takes less than a few minutes and does not involve any human intervention. Before, companies used to spend 10 to 50 euros per complaint resolution, and now you can do it for 2 euros. Before, they used to spend 3 to 6 months for resolving a complaint, and now they can do it in a few minutes. Also, companies get important business intelligence from complaints data analyzed by Cognicore. Cognicore is a spin-off company from the Artificial Intelligence Research Institute. It has a beta product co-developed with e-commerce companies. We are right now doing 2 pilot projects with Telefonica, and we are in the process of getting in touch with Renfe, Vueling, and O2.